Subjective experience is manifested through personal testimonies, that's pronouncing oneself to have certain traits, regardless of there being any physical manifestation of them. For example, claiming to be connected to the ancestral spirit. At the same time, our genes, so I can say I feel like a wolf right now, or some ancestral, not wolf even, maybe like some kind of an ancestral ape, and that I identify as that personally, even though I look like a human right now, and I'm not. Mind you, the brain's in there. This is where you see the objective tracing the subjective throughout the evolution, I think. This is one of my hypotheses. At the same time, our genes are so diversely mixed up that our ancestors are literally written into our genetic code, precisely. So everything that we subjectively are experiencing is wrapped around the envelope of objectivity that we evolved through all this time. And the subjective just emerged throughout it at some point. In order to reliably classify individual legal identity of a person and their traits, or in other words, to assign a strict role of appearance and behavior, subjective testimonies can only go so far. The law also relies on any potential verifiable objective manifestations of that person's traits in the empirically observable world, which an individual can themselves do. For example, look in the mirror, measure pulse, observe behavioral patterns, etc. Right? Or for that matter, claim that you have certain traits of a different sex, for example, because the proof is in the objective, in different objective traits. Of course, the cells and the chromosomes take the cake in terms of consistency around objective proofs. Nevertheless, if that's the only argument, then an emotion wouldn't be used as a justifiable biological marker, just because it's not cell-based, chromosomal, and expressing, so it's totally observed in behavior.